We have our card background ready, our images are colored, it's time to finish off the card with a beautiful, delicate sentiment die cut and then... disaster. I say it's time that we stop messing up our cards last minute, don't you? Let's see how. Before I show you my solution for this nasty problem, I just wanted to quickly address the double-sided adhesive situation. I know that this product is definitely a solution to glue oozing out of our die cuts, but I have two main problems with it. The first one is waste. I mean, take a look for yourselves. This is the amount of adhesive that I need for my die cut, and this is the amount of adhesive that it's very likely going to end up in the trash. That's just sad. Another problem I have with double-sided adhesive sheets is that they add an extra step to the card making process, and quite frankly, I remember that I could have used them when it's just too late. So today I'm going to show you how you can use something that you may already have in your stash to address the stinky problem of oozing glue. And the solution is glue. But not just any glue. You need something like the scrapbook.com smart glue, and the game-changing features of this product is that it dries tacky, and when it does, it dries permanent. Which means you can coat the back of your thin die cuts with this glue, let it dry, and when it's completely dry, those die cuts are now stickers. Of course, because the glue is now dry, it's not going to ooze out anywhere, and since this tacky glue dries permanent, once you stick down your die cuts firmly, they're not going to go anywhere. One thing you must know when you use the scrapbook.com smart glue is that the glue has a very nice flow, so you really should not press the bottle very hard. Otherwise, disaster. If you want to prevent any huge blobs of glue from falling on your project or ruining your die cut, you can use a cheap makeup sponge to apply your glue, and this way the layer you will add is super thin and the glue will dry even faster. And if you want to explore more interesting ways to use the scrapbook.com smart glue, here's a short playlist for you to check out. Finding new uses for your glue is going to give you more bang for your buck. So check it out, I'll meet you there, and remember, keep crafting, keep on shining.